Welcome back to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson, and I'm at the end of the restoration of this rubber floor. Now, most rubber floors, they're like this one here, several years old, and I'm talking probably 20 years old. The problem here is that everybody's done all kinds of things. By the time you get the floor clean, like I've got it here, the problem here is you can't just really bring it back to life without adding a shield to it. So we have our product here. Now, in this series, I've used a series of products that are designed for luxury vinyl. Well, the nice thing about it is rubber floors fall in that same category. So exactly the same products that we do for luxury vinyl, we do for rubber. So I'm going to lay a couple of coats here. I'll show you the before and after picture. But you know what my hack is? Don't use a shield if you don't have to, but if you've had to restore it like this, you're going to have to put a shield on. So thanks for watching my hacks. Hopefully you'll come back for another one.